Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica. Today, I actually have an intro for you. I know, it's not January, but I have an intro anyway. I've kind of been contemplating doing this for like the last 6 months or so, and I've kind of been like off and on. Yes, I'm going to do it. No, I'm not going to do it. And just watching other people's videos, I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and do it. I have been contemplating bringing back a rolling 5-pan to finish things because I knew I wanted to play this year, but I also know that I want to get some things finished. And the more I look at my collection, the more I realize I have some really old stuff. And when I watch Dora's, I think it's her 2+ years video, it reminds me, you really need to do this. So thank you, Dora, for, mentally encouraging me to do this. I know you probably didn't do it on purpose, but I appreciate it. I need to get some stuff done. I have a lot of old makeup. I don't really buy much anymore because I have so much. I don't need to. And I always like to focus on the new and the pretty, and I have a lot of stuff that has been around for quite a while. It's still perfectly good, but it needs to get used up. And some of my older things are also some of the things that are the hardest to pan. So I thought I'm going to dedicate my rolling 5-pan to getting some of my older products out. It's going to be strictly older products, and I'm calling it Out with the Old. And it's just going to be a rolling Project 5-pan for all of my old stuff. I have a lot of old things, and part of the reason I didn't do the 2+ years that Dora is doing is because my stuff is significantly older than 2 years. Like, I have some really old stuff, and almost everything that I own could technically go into that project if it was 2+ years, because yeah, I have a lot of stuff that has been hanging around for a hot minute. So I wanted to go with the really old stuff, like the really old stuff, and see what I can get moved out. So I'm going to show you everything. I will take pictures after I'm done filming so that I have a record and I can keep track of all of my progress. One of these things you've seen recently, and it came out of a project and I didn't have a home for it, so I needed to find a home for it. This is my eyeliner. It is from the Profusion Eyes Trendsetter palette. It is just a metallic purple plum eyeliner shade, and I would love to get this done. And I was not working on any other potted eyeliners, and I have some that I would love to get used up that are going to take forever. So let's start with this one. It's got good progress on it, and it goes very well with my Pan That palette this year. So let's just keep it going. So that is now officially in a project. Next is actually a Franken. I made this many moons ago. This is an old e.l.f. blush pan, like a really old e.l.f. blush pan. But this is not an e.l.f. blush in here. I had finished the blush that was in it, and I Frankened something else back when we were doing Frankenly My Dear I Don't Give a Pan, which I love that. Part of me wants to bring that back, but I Frankened so much other stuff, I don't know that I need to right now. But suffice it to say, this blush is beautiful, it's neutral, and it could stand to get some love and be used up and get moved out. And then I can use this pan to Franken some more stuff, because I like to do that. Pardon me. Next, I have a Sephora lip gloss. Just to give you an idea how old this is, I don't remember when they stopped doing Sephora Play, but that's where I got this. And it's still fine. It works well. It smells fine. Formula's great. Everything. This is in the shade Perfect Nude. It is a gel gloss, and I've probably used it a handful of times. There's a baby bubble right here, but there's tons of product up top. So I think that bubble is just where it was like laying on its side. So I have a long way to go with that. But I figured this is a nice, easy color that I can just put in my purse and take it on the go and just slap it on, and I don't even have to look, and I can get it used up that way. A very, very forgiving shade. Next, I have another sort of Franken. It's not Tarte, I promise you. This is an old Tarte highlighter case, compact, that's the word I'm looking for. But inside I actually have some baked e.l.f. eyeshadows, and I've got some pan there, but I would love to get that done And then probably when I'm done with this, I will put some more of my e.l.f. baked eyeshadows in here because I have another one or two that broke. I'll just franken those together, and someday I will get that e.l.f. or those e.l.f. palettes done, and it'll probably be doing it in this format because I don't really want to put my e.l.f. baked eyeshadow palettes in as a pan that palette because you don't see progress quickly on those, and it would be very boring to update. So this is a nice way to make that one work. Last but certainly not least, an old duo from Pacifica. This is the Natural Beauty Duo 2. It's hanging on by some Scotch tape there. That is what is left of it. It's been frankened. It's not the prettiest shades. I'm not saying it won't get frankened again because there is that strong probability that it will, but I would love to have this one moved out. The packaging's broken, and I've had it around for quite some time, so that would be really nice to get that used up and moved out. I have tons of things here. The eyeshadows are always going to be a conflict. Blush, I'm working on that. Working on tons of lip liners, working on tons of eyeliners. But in a bunch of my other projects, I am working on things just for usage, like a random use here or there, or a handful of uses. Yes, I do have some eyeshadows and some other things that I am attempting to finish, but I feel like this isn't too big of a conflict. It gives me a little bit more variety where I'm not just working on things to rotate through 1 to 5 uses. And these are so old that it would just feel like an absolute victory to get them used up and not let them go bad in my collection. Nothing super expensive here, but you know what? It all has to get used up. So that is what my goal is here. If anyone wants to join me in this, please, I would love to have you do that with me. But if not, that's cool too. I'm just kind of doing my own thing this year. I'm joining in projects, but I'm doing my own thing here or there. So that's what this one is. I'm just kind of, winging it, going on my own little journey here. So I guess that is everything for this intro for Out with the Old Rolling Project 5 pan, and hopefully I will have some update for you next month. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.